Hi everyone, I'm just doing a quick video on chicken tikka again. I do have another video on the channel. This one's going to be a much shorter one for those who have been asking for a shorter video. So what I've basically done is I'm doing a large cook today, but usually I take about 2 kilos of chicken, put a teaspoon of salt in, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and some red food colouring, and that's a first marinade. That's left for about 45 minutes, somewhere between 30 and 45 minutes in the fridge. Take that out and then put it in a yogurt paste, which has 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, 3/4 teaspoons of kala namak, which is black salt. If you don't have that, normal salt is fine. 1.5 heaped tablespoons of cumin, coriander, garam masala, 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, some paprika powder, about a teaspoon. You can go up to a tablespoon if you wish. A teaspoon of chili powder and 3/4 teaspoons of turmeric. Mix it all in, mix the chicken in, and this is what you get. So this is meat that's been marinating for nearly 2 days. Smells fantastic. I'm going to put it on some skewers and then I'm going to show you it being cooked. Now, you can add fresh coriander to the mixture as well, or you can put some fenugreek leaves in according to your own taste. I've put fenugreek leaves in this one. Usually I put coriander, fresh coriander in, or cilantro as it's called in America. Now, we've got some skewers here. I'm going to take the meat, I'm going to put it on some skewers, and then we're going to cook it. Just putting some meat on the skewers. So I've shown in my other videos, if you've got a long piece like this, put it on, twist it, and then wrap it on like that. Fits on quite nicely. So I'm just going to continue doing this until my skewers are full, and then we are going to cook it in a tandoor. So that's 4 skewers filled full of chicken tikka. So that's going to have a potato pot at the end, and then we're going to cook it in the tandoor. So the tandoor has been on for about 45 minutes. See there, the charcoal is nice and white, and I'm just going to put the chicken tikka in. That's one. There's 2 and 3. We could probably fit one more in there. And number 4. That should cook quite quickly. The tandoor is nice and hot, so I'll put the lid back on, and we will come back in about 15 or so minutes. So we have let the chicken tikka cook, and there we have it. It's been in there for a few minutes. It's looking really nice. Don't know if you can see that. Maybe a bit too close to the camera. Really nice colour on that. So that's the chicken tikka made. Nicely done in about 15 minutes, maybe a bit less. Really nice colour, nicely charred. That's ready to eat.